Hello team, it's been a few minutes. Well, we're back, and we start this Monday's MEOW with a topic we've been asked a lot about, the ALLEYCAT model of suppressors. C.A.T's ALLEYCAT range offers an intriguing lineup for law enforcement, military, and government agencies. Despite the distinct operational environments and requirements, the technological core of the C.A.T MEOW GOV suppressor range remains remarkably similar to its civilian counterparts. However, subtle variations do exist, primarily in terms of length, coding, and attachment methods. At the heart of this discussion is the acknowledgement that the foundational technology underpinning the C.A.T suppressors is uniform across the board. This includes surge bypass and sniper 2. This means that the same advanced engineering principles, materials, and acoustic dampening techniques are employed whether the suppressor is destined for a civilian shooting range or a military operation. This uniformity ensures that all users benefit from the high standards of noise reduction, recoil management, reduced blast propagation, low breach toxic fume, and durability options that C.A.T is becoming known for. C.A.T has made it a base operational principle to never leave the civilian user behind in the technology race. One of the key differences lies in the length of the suppressors. While civilian users often prioritize a balance between size, weight, and performance, MEOW GOV users have specific operational needs that dictate the suppressor length. For example, military operatives might require shorter suppressors for close-quarter combat scenarios to maintain maneuverability, whereas law enforcement might opt for longer models for enhanced noise suppression during tactical operations. The coding applied to the ALLEYCAT suppressors also varies, reflecting the different operational demands. Civilian models feature a particular black DLC finish suitable for general use and resistance to the elements. In contrast, ALLEYCAT models are treated with a differing DLC coding that provides resilience to the rigors of sustained field use. Perhaps the most notable difference is the sole availability of the 1x16LH quick detachment, QD, and inbuilt direct thread variants for ALLEYCAT. This design choice underscores both the operational need for rapid deployment and removes the inconsistencies that come with varying OEM hub QD and muzzle device combinations. The QD feature allows operators to swiftly attach or detach the suppressor without tools, facilitating rapid response and versatility in the field, and the direct thread option removes the inconsistencies of flash hiders and muzzle brakes entirely. Conversely, the civilian models are available in hub threaded 1.375x24, allowing civilian users to mix and match muzzle devices and hub quick detachment options. In essence, while the core technology of the C.A.T suppressor ranges remains consistent across civilian and governmental lines, strategic differences in length, coding, and attachment allow accredited individuals and departments to purchase ALLEYCAT products with more ease if stipulated not for civilian use. These tailored variations ensure that all users, regardless of their specific needs and environments, can rely on C.A.T for exceptional innovation, performance, and reliability. ALLEYCAT can be purchased by any accredited law enforcement, military, or government department or individual. Sales are via the C.A.T website, Capital Armory, and via a select group of dealers that will be announced shortly. It is again important to note that C.A.T is not a suppressor company, and like C.A.T civilian models, only small, consistent quantities will be made. This is not aimed as some form of marketing initiative, but rather C.A.T's 3D printing allocation from the R&D parent, the Specter factory. C.A.T is only allocated certain monthly print volumes. Therefore, ALLEYCAT is only offered in 556, 6-ARC, and 762 and 308 models for the foreseeable future. ALLEYCAT is expected to launch in March 2024.